Welcome to BluO Homestays. I recently explored a beautiful homestay in the heart of Saket, close to the Select City Walk, Mall and Max Hospital. Spacious and bright, this stay is ideal for all sorts of travelers. This is the lounge area for coffee, gossips and reading, and this is the kitchen, which is fully equipped with all you need for cooking. Let's check the bedrooms. They are large, bright, aesthetically beautiful, and comes with wardrobes, attached modern bathrooms, TV, and study desk and chair. You'll have a noiseless and comfortable sleep. Trust me, every bedroom is complete, like a home, like your home. In short, it's just worth the money. You're all short and long-term stays sorted with BluO. Descriptions and details below, and now let me enjoy the balcony view. Bye.